Good morning. I am happy to present my testimonial. My name is SSamant. I am MSc, PhD, DSc in botany from Mukman University, Nainital, Uttarakhand, India. After PhD, worked as a research associate of Department of Environment and Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. Joined as scientist in GB Pant National Institute of Himalayan Environment, Kosi, Khatarmal, Almora, Uttarakhand, India, and on January 11, 1991, and worked in various capacities, including theme head, biodiversity conservation and management, and head Himachal Regional Center of GB Pant National Institute of Himalayan Environment for 29 years. In July 2019, joined IC for Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, Himalayan Forest Research Institute, Shimla, as director. The responsibilities were research, development, administration, and financial management. During the whole scientific career, I worked on taxonomy, ecology, valuation, conservation education, and conservation of floristic diversity through more than 40 externally and in-house funded projects. Discovered new species and new hybrids and a new species for India and then Western Himalaya and Kumaon Himalaya. Then developed an integrated approach for floristic diversity assessment in the protected and protected biodiversity reach and ADO for project areas. State-of-art approaches for extraction trend of fuel and fodder resources, threat categorization and conservation prioritization. These approaches they were developed for the first time by me and my team. Database on medicinal plants, vegetables, then essential oil yielding plants, sacred plants, trees, shrubs, and orchids of the Indian Himalayan were developed. A document on NDB and Nanda Devi Biosphere for UNESCO map net was prepared and that was accepted by UNESCO. Now funding, regular funding is being received by the Biosphere say authorities. Then assess ecosystem subset of agro ecosystems and sacred groups, assess the populations of more than 20 threatened and endemic species and develop ecological niche models for predicting suitable habitats. Then assess impact of climate change on vegetation, establish lead garden, arboretum, herbal garden, medicinal plant nursery, rural technology park and Van Vigyan Kendra. Develop agro techniques of 26 medicinal plants promoted under cultivation. It's tested pollination deficit protocol of apple orchards and promoted conservation of bee pollinators and bee flora. Promoted a citizen science program for the first time in the Indian Himalayan. Then prepared people's biodiversity registers for more than 61 say panchayats, blocks and districts. Prepared a detailed project report for the rejuvenation of Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj river basins through forestry interventions of the Indian Himalayan. Then this will be implemented by the forest departments of the Indian Himalayan, then installed 22 manual weather stations in 22 government schools and promoted conservation education among the students, teachers, farmers and other stakeholders. During the period, I trained more than 10,000 students, teachers and stakeholders, guided 34 students for PhD. 7 students, they are registered for PhD and seven summer fellows, then one MPhil and 6 MSc students. They were guided, and 7 students they are under guidance. Then publish total 382 publications I have. Out of these above activities, then these are in different categories: research papers in full, then short research papers, scientific reviews, articles, chapters in books. authored and edited books, Himalayan Biosphere Reserves, biannual bulletin booklets in Hindi, then detailed project reports of Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas, and Satluj rivers. These are, say, volume 1 and 2, and one third one is overview for each river. Then received 16 honors and awards, which includes Fellow of Linnean Society of London, then Fellow of Royal Society of Biology, London, then Fellow of National Academy of Sciences, then Fellow of Society of Ethnobotanists, and many, say, awards, say, like Professor P.N. Mehra Memorial Award, then Professor Bij Award, Forest Indian Council of Forestry Research Education Award, and Kera Malia Award, and so on. So more they say many, say, ministries, say, organizations, they recognize me as member, expert, and a counselor. And the outcome of the research were utilized for policy documents by the state and central government departments and organizations. So this is, say, very brief about my testimonial for this. I would like to again thank to the manager PLS Awards and International Plan Scientist Awards for selecting me for the Lifetime Achievement Awards. Thank you very much. Thank you.